Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Oculus gift card. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, go ahead and type in oculus.com/casting and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to this page from where you will need to log into your Oculus account first. Click on the login button. Also make sure to log in by entering your correct credentials. Once you're signed into your account, from the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right and then click on settings. Under the settings menu, scroll down and click on this redeem code option. Now make sure that you have your redemption code with you. Go ahead and enter your code in the text box where it says enter code. Make sure to enter the correct 16-digit code from your gift card without any dashes or spaces. After you are done entering the redemption code, click on this arrow right next to it and your gift card balance will be added to your Oculus account. Make sure to follow the instructions till the end and make sure to provide the correct information in order to complete your redemption. So that's how easily you can redeem your Oculus gift card within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.